Digital marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses of all sizes grow and thrive. It encompasses a wide range of strategies and techniques, from social media marketing to search engine optimization, all designed to reach and engage with your target audience. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of digital marketing and how it can transform your business. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of digital marketing. One of the most significant benefits of digital marketing is its cost effectiveness. Traditional marketing methods like print ads or TV commercials can be incredibly expensive and often out of reach for small businesses. Digital marketing, on the other hand, offers a more affordable alternative. With options like pay-per-click advertising and social media marketing, you can reach a large audience without breaking the bank. Plus, digital marketing allows you to track your return on investment in real time, so you can see exactly how your money is being spent. Another major advantage of digital marketing is its global reach. Unlike traditional marketing, which is often limited by geography, digital marketing allows you to reach potential customers all over the world. With the internet, your business is no longer confined to a specific location. You can connect with people from different countries and cultures, expanding your market and increasing your potential for growth. This global reach opens up a world of opportunities for businesses looking to scale and succeed. One of the most powerful aspects of digital marketing is the ability to target your audience with precision. With tools like social media advertising and email marketing, you can tailor your messages to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This means you can reach the right people at the right time, increasing the likelihood of conversion. By targeting your audience effectively, you can maximize your marketing efforts and achieve better results. Digital marketing truly allows you to connect with your audience in a meaningful and impactful way. One of the greatest benefits of digital marketing is its measurability. You can track and analyze your campaigns in real time, allowing you to see what's working and what isn't. This data-driven approach helps you make informed decisions and optimize your strategies for better results. Digital marketing offers unparalleled flexibility. Unlike traditional marketing methods, you can easily adjust your campaigns on the fly. Whether it's tweaking your ad copy, changing your target audience, or reallocating your budget, digital marketing allows you to adapt quickly to market changes and consumer behavior. So don't rely on static solutions. Embrace the dynamic nature of digital marketing. Digital marketing significantly boosts engagement. Through social media, email campaigns, and interactive content, you can connect with your audience in meaningful ways. This increased interaction not only builds brand loyalty, but also encourages customers to become advocates for your brand. Engaged customers are more likely to share your content, leave positive reviews, and recommend your products or services to others. In conclusion, digital marketing offers a range of benefits that traditional marketing simply can't match. From measurable results and flexibility to increased engagement, it's clear that digital marketing is an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. So, if you haven't already, now is the time to embrace the power of digital marketing and watch your business thrive. Contact us in comment section for your marketing.